Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 5th chapter, that is combustion and flame. Okay, in previous classes already we have discussed that what is the combustion and the types of combustions. Yes, but today we are going to discuss about that what is the flame. Students, what did you feel anytime, did you hear these words, what is the flame? Flame is the gaseous state of that fire. That means whenever the fire will come, that gaseous state of that things is called as a flame. Whenever candle will burn, one flame is coming out. Whenever gas burner you can see, whenever your gas stove, LPG gas stove for the cooking, whenever you are using, at that time also from the burner that one flame is coming. That is called as one gaseous part of that what is fire. So that is called as what is that? Flame. Okay. So different fires, different according to the different fuels of that, it is the different flames. So one of that, what are the different parts and how it is, we have to discuss in this chapter. So students, the flame is the visible gaseous part of a fire. Flame is the visible gaseous part of the फायर. सो फायर जो है वो जो गैस विजिबल जो हमको देखते हो, हम देखने का हम बात जो हमारे येलो कलर और ब्लू कलर का जैसे देख रही है उसको बोलते हैं हमें फ्लेम. क्या ठीक है? सो whenever that gas stove, whenever you will on that from the burner it is coming fire, that is called as also one of the flame. Today we are going to discuss candle flame. A candle flame is divided into three zones. A candle flame is divided into three zones. Okay, students. So you have students get the idea about that. Whenever you candle or any flame you can see, but special for experiment for you can see whenever candle will on and any flame that you can divide it into three zones. Okay. First one, what is that? One is inner zone, that is called as innermost zone, middle zone and outer zone. So here I have drawn one picture, students. This is one of the candle and the three zones are there. One, see, this is one zone and this plain yellow color zone this is, and then blue color zone. So one candle whenever will lightning, you will find out the three zones. Okay, the flame finding that three zones. One is innermost zone, second middle zone and outermost zone. Okay students, and we will discuss about that what is that innermost zone, what is the middle zone and what is the outer zone. A flame contains the three zones. Okay, so how it is that we have to discuss. First of all, innermost zone, that means first zone is called as a innermost. This middle what is the black color like it is there, friends. You have to see that that is like a wick means that that wax with it is connected, that near that middle part of that flame is called as a innermost zone, and it is appears black and it is the dark zone of the candle. If that we see that candle, that it is also called as a dark zone of the candle. No combustion occurs here because of lack of oxygen, because in the middle of that flame there is no oxygen. So that's why oxygen is lack of, very less is there. So that's why there is no combustion take place, because we need, when that combustion will take place, it needs what is that? Oxygen. So without oxygen that combustion cannot take place. So there in the middle of that flame there is a lack of oxygen. Due to the lack of oxygen, that combustion, no combustion take place. Okay. Next, it contains unburnt wax. That means there, where that middle part of that flame there is no combustion. That's why unburnt wax will get there. The wax won't be burned. Okay. It is the least hot region of the candle flame. If that candle flame, if you compare that three zones, the least hot region, that means less heat, where will get the middle of the flame. Middle of the flame will get least hot. Okay, because there is no combustion, there is heat, there is due to that lack of oxygen, there is the least heat, the least combustion. No combustion take place. If there is no combustion, then how will get that heat? Heat will be least. Okay, so students very carefully remember that in the least or the very less heat will get where in the inner zone, that means inner zone, that middle, here will get that least heat because there is lack of oxygen won't be reached there. Okay, second students will get that what is that middle zone. Where is the middle zone students? This yellow color zone I have drawn here, this is called as the middle zone. And what is that? Now it burns with a yellowish flame. What color will come? That flame, if you observe that middle side, you will see that which color? Yellowish color. Okay, partial combustion take place here. Partial combustion take place, that means less, some it will be burn and some of it will remain, means it won't burn. So that means partially it is burning. It is the moderate hot region of the candle flame because it is the middle. So moderate means what is that, you know students? 50-50, that means half, some burning, some not burning. That means least, not least heat, not more heat. That means moderate means middle. Moderate means middle hot, that means comparatively heat. Okay, so if you compare to that outer zone, that is less than, and whenever you compare to that innermost, that is more than. So it is a moderate heat region. Wax vapor starts burning in here, in that middle zone. What will happen? That wax is there, candle having contact that wax, it starts the burn by that yellow color, yellowish flame. With the wax will melt and start to burn. Next students, outer zone, that means last part, the outer zone, that is which color? The blue color. That you have seen that in the outermost zone is blue color, that is very hot region. That is, if that candle flame, hot zone is outermost zone. It burns with a blue color flame. It is the region of the complete combustion of wax vapor. So here totally completely combustion is there. Okay, so outermost zone of the candle is completely combustion. So what you should say students? It is the hottest region of the candle flame. It is the hottest zone, or whenever among that three, if you see that innermost zone, middle zone and outermost zone, which one is the hottest? Outermost zone is the hottest hot zone. Okay, hottest zone of whenever we compare to that three zones. Okay, remain two zones. This is the region of the completely combustion of the wax vapor, because here completely that wax is get the combustion. The wax burns completely and produces the carbon dioxide gas, water vapors and heat. In this region, all that wax will completely burn and it produces, what is that students? Carbon dioxide gas and also water vapors and what is that? Heat energy. Students, any flames it gives also heat energy, and also whenever it will burn, compulsory carbon dioxide gas will produce. Okay, this region is the hottest part of the candle flame. If you will compare to that other two part regions, it is the hottest part region. That means if you check that three regions, the outermost region is the hottest region because this flame, this part of that region, that completely take that burn, that combustion of the wax. Okay friends, these are all about that candle flame. Okay, there are three flames, three zones. One is innermost zones, middlemost zone and outermost zone. So in least hottest part, where least hot where region, where in the first innermost zone is the least hot zone, and a moderate is middle, and a hottest zone is outermost zone. And outermost zone is which color? Blue color. Least that is innermost color, which color? Innermost zone is black color, and a middle most zone is yellowish color. Okay students, and I hope you have understand, and you should draw in your notebooks and write down this all the notes in your classwork and send me. And next we will discuss students what is the fuel, because for the burning I have told you three things is very important. One is combustion, that means our combustible substances. Second one is what? Helping things, that means oxygen. Third one is what is that students? Our ignition temperature. So first of all, fuels, combustible substances, what is that, and what is the fuel importance for the burning. Okay, it is helping for the burning also. We will study in the next video. Thank you.